Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Hedra AI. Hedra has rapidly grown from being a simple talking avatar tool into a complete AI-powered creative platform focused on character-driven content. The company has attracted significant attention thanks to the proprietary Character 3 model, which is specifically designed for creating high realistic AI characters that can talk, that can sing, and perform naturally. So in this video, I'll cover everything you need to know about Hedra AI and ultimately answer the question, is Hedra AI the best talking avatar king in 2026? Now let's get started. Hedra AI is an AI-powered creative platform that specializes in generating character-based videos from images, text, and audio. Unlike many AI video generators that focus on creating cinematic scenes, short clips, or visual effects, Hedra focuses heavily on character performance. The company's mission is to create digital characters that feel believable and expressive rather than robotic. And this is where its flagship Character 3 model comes into play. So overall, Hedra is positioning itself as a next-generation storytelling platform rather than just an avatar creator. Now let us talk about the main features. Character 3 AI model. Yes, the biggest feature of Hedra is its proprietary Character 3 model. This is the technology responsible for generating high realistic talking characters. And Character 3 combines images, text, and audio inputs to create expressive videos featuring realistic facial movements, lip syncing, emotional reactions, and body language. Realistic lip sync technology. Lip sync quality is one of the most important aspects of AI avatar generation, and Hedra performs exceptionally well here. The platform synchronizes mouth movements with speech while also incorporating natural facial expressions and emotional reactions. And this creates videos that feel significantly more human than many competing platforms. Next is the AI voice creation. Users can generate voices directly within the platform or upload existing audio. And this flexibility allows creators to use their own voice, AI-generated voices, voice clones, podcast recordings, and narrations. The platform integrates advanced voice technologies to create natural sounding speech. And there's the custom avatar creation. You can upload your own images and turn them into talking characters. The ability to animate almost any image opens up many creative possibilities. There are multi-character scenes as well, and that's one of the most exciting features, multi-speakers and character interactions. So instead of a single avatar talking throughout the video, creators can generate conversations between multiple characters. It can also be useful for long-form video creation. Hedra supports longer video creation, making it practical for tutorials, presentations, educational lessons, and podcast-style content. Hedra also includes an infinite canvas environment that allows creators to organize and build projects visually. Now, what is the pricing of Hedra like? On the frequently asked questions, there's a question there that says, is Hedra AI really free? Yes, you get 5 free generations per day with no account required because they use open source AI models to keep their services accessible to everyone. That's really competitive. But of course, it's a credit-based pricing system. So if you want to do more, you have to purchase credits on the platform. Now, what are the pros and cons of using Hedra? First, we talk about the pros. Excellent lip sync quality, highly realistic character expressions, multi-character conversations, long video support, and all-in-one creative platform, which is suitable for commercial projects. And how about the cons? It operates by a credit-based system and it can be expensive. The rendering times can also vary, and if you're a new user, there might be a learning curve. So, is Hedra AI the best talking avatar king in 2026? For creators whose primary goal is generating highly realistic speaking characters with impressive lip sync and expressive performance, Hedra absolutely deserves a place among the top AI avatar platforms that are available today. If your content strategy revolves around AI presenters, virtual influencers, digital spokespeople, educational avatars, or AI-powered storytelling, Hedra is definitely worth serious consideration. And that's it on the review of Hedra AI. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore HeyGen, Synthesia, and Captions. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.